This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Liz Livernois, Barbara Terranova, and Cara Halloran. Welcome to another quality renovation by Livernois, Terranova Associates. Nestled in a quiet cul-de-sac in sought-after Ocean Lakes, this beautifully updated home is a true gem. Every detail of this residence has been thoughtfully reimagined, resulting in a stunning transformation that blends modern luxury with timeless charm. The brand new kitchen serves as the heart of the home, boasting designer features, sleek finishes, and ample space to inspire your inner chef. The luxurious updates continue with renovated bathrooms that offer a spa-like retreat, complemented by new flooring throughout that ties the home together with elegance and style. A new roof ensures peace of mind, while fresh landscaping enhances the curb appeal, creating a welcoming and polished exterior. This home is move-in ready and waiting for your most discerning buyers. December 11, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Liz Livernois, Barbara Terranova and Cara Halloran at 757-348-0032.